It's a Monday morning, and while many people are going to work, I'm going to an abandoned Jewish mental asylum right in the middle of the woods in the south of Warsaw. Let's see how it goes. That's the wall of the mental hospital. The place opened up in 1908, and it was a sanatorium for the mentally disabled Jews of this area. And in 1940, when the war broke out, this place was a part of the T4 program, aimed to kill all the people that are unworthy of life, basically. That's fucking creepy, by the way. Fuck hell. Man, what is this place? These patients were tortured and killed on the spot by the Nazis in this exact area. And some of them were shot on sight, and some of them were just sent to the gas chambers straight away into the Blinka. It's said now that the place is actually haunted, so we'll see if we find any ghosts. Okay, so we have rubbish about. Nothing new. When a tree is falling. What the fuck? It's pretty run down. Look at this well, gaping hole. Fucking hell. Another gaping hole. A lot of gaping holes in this gaff. A bit eerie, this place. Yeah, most of it is boarded up actually. The windows boarded up. Crisps. Someone's eating crisps. creepy. Basement. Some more rooms. Gotta try to go upstairs and see. Some more rooms. Floor sketchy here also. This place cool. This place pretty cool. The roof's barely fucking standing. This part's falling apart. Window frame is still intact. Everything else, not really. Slay. Facts. Get the fuck out. Yeah, so many of these patients were tortured and killed on the spot by the Nazis and put in the mass grave. It was found near here. They found over 100 bodies. And there's the other part of it. The other part of it is here. Let's see if we can get in this one somehow as well. But I don't know, maybe I'm gonna have to climb through a fucking window again. Oh. It's not boarded up. Nice. Illuminati. That's pretty cool. Another entrance. But I'm trying to go through the main door to see what's here first. Okay, let's Let's go this way first. Let's see. To the steps. Staircase to heaven. To the fucking roof, probably. Mattress. Oh, this is where their patients were staying, I assume. It's probably the main hospital. This is. Oh, the first one I was in was much smaller. So I assume that's probably like the office area. Probably. More stairs. To the main door. Let's see. Basement. Stairs. All right then. All right, mate. These are the toilets, I assume. No more toilet left. Let's go upstairs. More stairs. Pretty cool. Oh, there's the way. There's the way to the roof. This feels like ground floor with the amount of bushes that's here. But we're actually like a good few meters up. Wow. Oh, that's where the stairs went. Chimney. So cool. Okay, let's get out of here. There's the fucking stairs. Pretty cool place, but it's like very. That's the way up. Very damaged. Man, this place literally reminds me of the fucking Slenderman game we all used to play back in the day. It's like the same type of trees, and you got like pathways, dusty pathways, and then abandoned mental asylum. That was the gate, the entry house, where many people never came back to life.